In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Pinterest to Squarespace 7.0. If you're looking to showcase your Pinterest boards or pins directly on your Squarespace website, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your Pinterest account seamlessly connected, making it easier than ever to integrate your content and engage your audience in a visually stunning way. Now, before we dive in, if you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start building your website today. All right, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is log into your Squarespace account. Make sure you're accessing the account that holds the specific website you want to link with Pinterest. If you have multiple sites under your account, double-check you're in the right one. Once you're logged in, look over to the sidebar menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Scroll down and you'll see the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll find all the behind-the-scenes tools and configurations for your site. From the Settings menu, navigate to the section called Third-Party Tools. This is the area where Squarespace organizes all the external platforms and systems that can be connected to your site. It's essentially the hub for linking outside services like Pinterest, so click on that to proceed. Next, select Connected Accounts from within the Third-Party Tools section. This option is specifically designed to display all the external services you can link to your Squarespace website. If you've already connected any accounts, such as Instagram or Facebook, you'll see them listed here. Now look for the Connect Account button and give it a click. You'll now be prompted to choose from a list of available platforms. Scroll through the options and select Pinterest. This will begin the process of linking your Pinterest account to your Squarespace site. At this point, you'll be asked to log into your Pinterest account, enter your login credentials to proceed. Now, it's worth noting that Squarespace needs your permission to access your Pinterest boards and pins. This ensures that the connection links directly to your personal or business Pinterest profile. If you have two-factor authentication enabled on your Pinterest account, you might need to enter a verification code during this step, and just in case you've forgotten your Pinterest password, you can reset it here for an added layer of security. After you've successfully logged in, Squarespace and Pinterest will work in the background to finalize the connection. This process usually takes just a moment or two, so hang tight while the integration completes. Once the connection is established, you'll want to confirm that everything is set up correctly. Head back to the Connected Accounts section in Squarespace and check the status next to Pinterest. If it says connected, you're good to go at this point. Your Pinterest account is now fully linked to your Squarespace site, and you can start showcasing your content seamlessly. And that's it. You've just learned how to connect Pinterest to Squarespace 7.0, allowing you to integrate your boards and pins into your website effortlessly. If you have any questions about this process or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.